for higher juicy news. Mema Bawumia Akwaba had the latest hot Kwa Aremeyaw Bremo. And it is a subscribe to channel idea, but Modia say over subscribe. The Obayan say over click the subscribe button, you know. Na wabele notification. We had video for Frubia be upload no when the first person once ebe can sa video. Afi Wubia na wala ki video no give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma wofoforo so na we be hwe na wo hu ensabdodo na ra ekoso ewo Ghana memo hano afi ententemara yeti sa report ya sansemu ya babetudwai momenti sansemu ya ekoso momenti
bansa na me proceed no honorable Ntim Fordjour uko kan asam de mesimi nkabiem but information abewo edemaw any oral any say oral asemu tie mi anope ya mo bisa honorable Ntim Fordjour say da na mo ko ni fie wona mo yesa mo kwotchene na NPP for begu ho so mo ma mo nchene no boys ben wo frɛ o mo so mo nko ni kurom wa asen ho no mo kofa niam bi woni fie ho no mo fa nto yie na o suspect say anhwe a mo beti on beti ni wo ho ana o mo de ne baba ho so mba be ye inspection eniama ben ya eniama no miminim ba oral team make a kire mo ne honorable Ntim Fordjour ni nkomo because ni niam bi woni fie ho ne papa ne wachema na ti fie ho wasi fie kakraka e wo ho me anu fie na wasi ne nyamasem ba eniama na eguwa na wasi nkofo nkofa nto yie because suspect say anhwe national security for ene ne baba fie ho no sa niama no da hu hia me sa niama no me wo interest wo ora mu tie mi a national security mu tie mi a mo ne honorable Ntim Fordjour ni nkomo sa niama no a wo so won fa nkoto yie no sa boys ne dia akoto yie no sa niama no ye wo interest wo mu so man sa wo se wo wonsam na wo kan na suspicious o suspicious na wo keka kosa e na wagu o mamu ni nyina ni mase agu o mampanyi ote akonwa so ani mase all in the name of politics jadam. And you see the reason why at this time around my imagine say and yamani bi ho I will respond to it and say yatina ha ma MPP for akuku stories wo motimi e chan trokese nobody ato ho ban. The entire market say na can depend any formula and say there are certain issues are ekoso wo Ghana. It's like yama asam no ho kwan ama wanya akonwa atena so waka ne nan ato so to say the misfitati yaka ne nan ato so pepepe and wodi ne mre embere na wodi no so wo say ade Ghana nkoa na yennim say me din tro de ato obi so a wasame dwen hu se nipa no so oye nipa but yama as a politics intino ye kan sama to obi so agu nipa nani masekora we don't think twice. Social media me this is not the first time I make a choice. Social media Ghana high in particular there social media no abedi yewu abe say your life meanwhile ukon go for bebre abahe so a social media no omote ye niema papa me just sure say Zuckerberg no developing so Facebook ni Instagram ne de keka ho no okọ ho no mo obetena obeso Facebook no ankasa waye no waso camera sinanim aya na dwen say obedi obi atam ana waye na dwen say min twan tron fan to obi so Zuckerberg no kro wonyansa wo developing sa app no onya sa nkwase ade no by Ghana for ye was subabi wo ye mu a ye yesuatra ade bia ye pese yesua bia yesua ma ne broso ye ba na broso nso a ye nwesa bro na abroso no ekwa ha obi won sa Ghana nko an obi ye bibi oba respond ya na nipa na ye na je say hey ade na me wa be come no wa come you see but all kan obi no wan dwen wo se nipa na me kan no ono so wa abusua nipa na me kan na ma me ko didi na tamagu na ni mwase no se be nipa no so oye nipa o kana kabipa eh waka de enka wabo me chem so na ni refi se ono de wo ye no akoso damage e wo bia brabom hwa enkomo bebre maka cho say me ye nipa bia me nkasa by heart o ensema ya me ka wo TV so no e just 1% of information minya me nkasa by heart. There are so many enema akoso wo Ghana hanom a yetse yenya information yetimi ma ye evidence utimi sa ade ye da hoi ye nokre but ebi wo ho a eye security issue nti umia wa no ebi wo ho a efobi abrabọ ho umia wa no ebi wo ho a efobi adwuma ho efobi sika ho you keep it in your head enya asem bia ne yeni hu a yaka that's why me obenwu say me kasa ya normal politics and yema ekoso corruption scandals ne de ha wo man no de ebema me as Ghana ni me ho akire me no eno na me wo interest wom enti so obi no obi yiri aye say me emfa me ho obi no obi kuna aye say me emfa me ho enka me coat and aka me shirt say nipa no otesen me emfa me ho de afa me ho ne say adwuma ya de ma wo as MP yade ma wo as a minister yade ma wo as a DC yade ma wo as a chief executive then na wa yade abo man no that is my interest so wuti so so wuti sha so wa basa ti se be de ya susun ai anasa wa ya bola ti se be gina hey eno enka me quote it doesn't make sense to me they make sense to me ne say then na wo ya e de impact bone e bre yen Ghana fo eno na me wo interest wom na Ghana fo mum yen hwe bibiye na ya na ya dwen ye yen say e wiase na da ho kwa hwe wiase na da ho no ena ho kwa e wiase no e spiritual world ene enamu you cannot say where upa gidi upa menyi ni. We live in a spiritual world. E wiase na ye namu no ena ho kwa. Wo kan wa bi na se nipa ne na adwen se o mua wa. E bia na bua no mua wo. Me o ka me. Na me yesa me mua wo TV so a me mua wo. Me ya ma adwen se me mua wo me 18 mu won so a me mua wo. Ba se me bua wa me bua wo. Ye wo nipa bi wo ho a o kana onfa bone nche. Ghana for sa ade no ayira wo ye tirim. Eti na wo be hu obi 40 years ni wawu wo be hu obi 35 na wawu yesi e no anyare o yare wo sunsumu because boni a wode adi obi no e chen se wo yare HIV enti wo be wu. Let me tell you something, ya de niema di agwo wo krom ha too much and you see democracy na yesi ya practice no along the line then I get to know say democracy na ameboaye. Because your level now you dey democracy wa Ghana ha no. Oh my goodness. We are not mature to practice democracy. We are democracy no abebo yen form. Democracy na ma ya dwene no entimi nyini. E me na me say any formula, any style, any baby a me ko ne free. Democracy na ye see ye practice no. Wo mo a ye hwe wo mo asua wo mo no. Ye me say ye ho say sign wo mo ye mo democracy no. Ye colonial masters a wo be colonize yen a ye se ye hwe wo masua wo mo no Britain fo no me pa tro se de ye niaman ti sa no mo ye mo niama na se de ye timi etwantro egu ye mpanyimfo so yi enti sa no mo ya na all in the name of democracy because now no abrantia ba ko ya se ye fra no Hwan Mohammed a okotwro rest in peace Emma, the Vice President of the Republic. Sure, I did mommy picture at two, not sure, rest in peace. Yabache don't know, would him. I want Mohammed Kwatina Facebook who say a freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. Then I don't know the reason why your MPP from Mubi ya come was about Fred Yamuko Pino. Say your freedom of speech is that you're more Kennedy Agyapong. Now come on with the information I want from. But some of them will decide to keep quiet. Because me information ibi wa and family wo. Say anya dia bo man, anya dia ba Ghana for ko ekwa ahwehia mu ame and family ho. Dia wo do private life for ye no enya masem. But to put the vice president of the Republic of Ghana. Now what be catch them say, what show my mini pictures who rest in peace near Chiwa. What be catch them say a freedom of speech? What kind of freedom of speech is this one? Near to 1 year nipa no. Because what true was social media. Ye che no waka. Eko things are ekoso e wo social media ho e to da bi na me hwe bia na me ra ho me hwe bia na me ra ho na no mi ankasa chiro petition e de koma CID boss for now baba no Auntie Joyce. We are even chatting this morning. There are some of the information I'm a dear man and when he has some account with even also because information ni bi wo ho no so e de be ye adwuma enti anya ni nyina na wose meka ba de se foto so meka wo TV so ma wote ye no meka m wate e choda bia ho ye ne ye niema te say ye tan ye hododo politics ama ya tan ye ho enti Ghana ni egu ni nua ni masia ondwen ho Ghana ni ka sam de ato ni nua so e ye ntro pan so no wa ha nani no wo twa ntro bansa na me proceed no Honorable Ntim Fordjour uko ka sam de mesi min kabiem but information abewo e de maw any oral and say oral samu tie mi anope ya mo bisa Honorable Ntim Fordjour say da na mo ko ni fie wona mo ye sam ko kye na NPP for be gu ho so omo ma mo nkye no boys ben wo frɛ omo so omo nko ni kurom wa asen ho no mo kofa niema bi woni fie ho no mo fa nto yie na o suspect se anhwe a mo beti on beti ni wo ho ana omo de ne baba ho so mba be ye inspection eniema ben ya eniema no miminim ba already make a kire mo ne Honorable Ntim Fordjour ni nkomo because se ni niema bi woni fie ho ne papa ne wo chema na ti fie ho wasi fie kakraka e wo ho me anu fie na wase ne nyamasem ba eniema na eguwa na wase nkofon nto yie because suspect say anhwe national security for ene ne baba fie ho no sa niema no da hu hia me sa niema no me wo interest wo ora mu tie mi a national security mu tie mi a mo ne Honorable Ntim Fordjour ni nkomo sa niema no a wo so won fa nkoto yie no sa boys ne dia akoto yie no sa niema no ye wo interest wo mu so man sa wo se wo won sam na wo kan na suspicious o suspicious na wo keka kwasa e na wagu amamu ni nyina ni mase agu amampanyi ote akonwa so ani mase all in the name of politics jadam. And you see the reason why at this time around my imagine say enyama ni bi I will respond to it and say yatina ha ma MPP for akuku stories wo motimi e chan trokese nobody at to her bam. One was that 2020 and 2024 elections. When the baby and Anno asema ya kafa John Mahama hu nyina na ye ntro. When the baby and Anno asema ya kafa JM hu nyina na ye ntro. Eti one was that time no. Omo twa ntro no to ho a yan retaliate yan confront wo mo. Eti wo mo di ntro gu John Mahama ni mase. Eche say woman is President Mahama to the extent they say minim President Mahama free no for nintio because eniamo mo de aye President Mahama wo krom ha no me dana me dwene ho a ya na be say me bisa MPP for senti wo mo anka say yom de ye ka Akufo Addo asam ketua bi amosi kuro no nyina ndane butu because oye den wo ya chimni ano ya ka ninti de en President Mahama onye nipa ho etimi say sa ajadam no eto ho no ma ye befa ekwa bi a wase ye fa ne aka ho asem bi ye befa so aka ho asem. There's a particular lady our TikTok. Mo fa the page Net2 TV no so. Wa hide behind nicknames. I the create account, social media account. Na sabe previa sama no susumi na so anopen. Nkwasi asampa. Abaya ne ka our TikTok ho. Ene entro a odie no. La. And you see this one, it has to do with the President of the Republic of Ghana, the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. So I'm interested. What's it with the Ghana Jollof? Why hide behind? And I want my account to them. My member now run here. I say Ghana Jollof, but at Dr. Bawumia 2028. At Dr. Bawumia for 2028 account ni di no but edinya obo e wo social media handle no so no also at the Ghana Jollof or this so hu nipa brabo and say ye biasa account way na wotie videos ane enkoma ga way e di won page ho a me say wo yam ba show Enra, it got to a point when I was listening to some of the videos, I couldn't take it anymore, so I have to end it. Yeah, Ghana Jollof, you can run, but you can't hide. Once a video about what can we say? Her Excellency the Vice President of the Republic, one who Chahwe, Emo Chahwe, Chief of Staff, Julius Zebra, and Sakwa Kwashama, and Nasia Chimoja, and the free ho. What can we page where Yaso Edaho? I sent that particular video to the CID boss. And I will come when we free as Samanka Cecilia, I am not Samankas in Yebehu. And you will bomb the information Kakato, so don't think information had a two. Kwadaso ya kwadaso me asamba na say asamba me wo ho na me share dan kan yi a e chese information na me pe no me san kan ne papa ana maka che also say information bi wo ho na me tie a me nka say me na it has to do with obi personal abrabo me enfa me ho but some abaya we de Ghana Jollof ma me fa wo full name no wo other name that can hono me the aba CID boss ya the would about to stop list, so don't joke with us. Yeah, sa jandam na mo ya numere bi atwamu no. And you see, on this year I was crazy to the point of and no dia ma me ya imagine say asem afre dia meka. And say afre dia sa ba ya we ya kwatena TikTok. The video is there. Say Honorable Felix of Osukwache and the First Lady akoda woni fie. How are you mad? Are you mad? What is wrong with you because of politics? And the President Mahamadu Bawumia, and what the Akrana hospital akoyegu. Hey, madam. Hey, madam, me yesa kabi fiwo. But when we niama na wayagu page hono. Afraid the abroso. Sure, you can do all your politics. But me adia me krechiri na ya me ya ene so be twam tura to obi so nanti wo hweba me lodi na ma me nimonyamfo ise do siti hoyi na wo bu ade na because of say wo person promote Bawumia wo person promote wo NPP. Nobody is against of say wo promote wo NPP. Me, I'm not against it. I promoted John Dramani Mahama. And I'm still promoting NDC, and I will promote it every single day because I know say yeah NPP for ya the question am say we must say no omo bomb mine eti me ade bia ni ho ade be ma me NPP ho be makono but wo NPP ye wakono. That is your choice. Nobody is against your choice. But why do you decide to tarnish the image of the President of the Republic of Ghana? Asamna make Ghana for enye se bia me hu na ateme na me kasa wo. Adia sa Ghana Jollof na ye woni page no so no. Sa wo kwana nka wo kotie bia. Wo yem be so. Na hwe wo kira be wachi kwan sa wo asaman kase. Enti yanso ye bo akire ye wo yo investigation kakra. Now listen. Wudinya kasa eye Alberta wo send them na ka hono media ma CID boss ya do be to stop list. What do you know about to UK? Madam, sure you can run, you can hide. What mean to UK forever? What mean to UK forever? You still come here and we'll be here waiting for you. What say Chief of Staff and you see, he was even bold enough to say, Honorable Felix of Osukwache Kofi Hono, Wabobidi, you see, a dinner board video no mukrano, said Dinukwa doesn't even exist in the house of the president. And what you say, Nipada and Adrian Sama Meshada and Kikan some Akasia, a good president in any massy. Why do you do that? Who come Mamuanasem? President Mahama or money humoden or say and no many problem be our home. You are entitled to your own opinion. But you see this way, this tangent now walk on. Afraid you want find a personal. Why they say oh person who good president Mahama ni masi. Who person who good na yere ni na busi afu ni masi. He? President Mahama, he's so tolerant. President Mahama have a big heart to accommodate all this nonsense. But when we ball away, we go on. Madam, watch your back. What your information allegedly? Minya ya ne say. Ono Honorable Samia Wuku ewoy. Emma sofu bi kra obeka asem no ewo ofori dua. Sofu ne de ni monyamfo memfa ne mmam. Emma mo ya sanka obeya abortion. E na abortion na enya amaso. E na Samia Wuku kopa fie wo UK mawo. Aso safie no otoyo so han yo me no enya masem. I'm not interested in that. But the aba no pay me boss Samia Wuku din ni say Honorable Samia Wuku allegedly yesige we wunim no. The oil was social media no. Enti se wutie bi. Na wo hwe niam o ka fa President Mahama ho. Na wutie allegations and track kese o twa to chief of staff so a call your girl to order. O yere dia woni mi say there's no baby, there's nothing. Asem no manya ka wi. E no there's information dia mo de be ye de fa me ho. CID boss call Honorable Samia Wuku. He will have an information for us. Sir, Alberta no na wona wato fie wo so wo han yo so to wo UK. Samia Wuku was just a public officer and I saw is no CEO. CEO for NLA, right? NLA. Enti anokra was here bisa question. Kwa ye fa so etimi enya sika sesa cedis anya dollars e kwa rent yo si e kwa trophy wo UK. O se Ghana politicians ye ne mabi ya yenwe ho. Ye to wonu ma ye se dollar ne e bu cedi. Ba Ghana politicians timi sesa cedi anya dollar amount adi ko trophy wo abrochire. Ni atete ha. Alberta wo claim say wo de Ghana jollof. Wo de Ghana jollof. Wo maame ye confirm wa asama kasi nti wo nim say wo maame di code ato wa bra boso. Entu obi ahwe wa onyawo obi ahwe wa chikwan ya onyawo me maka cho say ade bi wo ho na wo ye da se mimuwa wa bua da mimuwa but you see this one mebuwa because what then want to na me come na okom no so say obetimi adi nkwasi asem bi opa bia when it come to the spiritual aspect obi antimi nya na hwe me spiritual aspect nya no ne hia me. I'm talking about the physical one that we will have to arrest you. Wo are better. What so ya Ghana jollof say wo de Ghana jollof bia wo de are better. Send them na aka no me dia masi adi boss anti joy say many bra no person say me na nyane wa no pay me na nyane wa no pay sa Ghana jollof no oka omo wo me petition ni mu a me dia bro no work on her information was me down me dia ma dia was me kano me ha you see wo kwaso mayhem ewobi marriage mu wo tare wobi kunu wo kwaso nonsense kwaso mess. You will shut up. What the one with the president of the land at TikTok so na wo twan trackers here. Madam, obetimi your politics be a wo. But when it comes to the image of the president, please don't go there because when you go there we will come after you. When you go there we will come after you. One more TikTok no bloggers no may assure say we we ya mbetwa de akoto. Mo kan kire Ghana jollof say me say ya ye ne ho investigations nyina wie oti UK London. Ya tofio say ya rancho me de nya masem. E na wote ho. E na wo ba na wa wo no so ye nim ne tebia. Be no emfa me ho tie no enu kwa se me kan. Me obi a me nka obi personal life. But you see this particular lady, damage now all causing no too much. The damage this lady is causing on TikTok is too much. Now okwa and summer kasia ba akukura me ko hu ye ko kafa Hopeson ne yere ho. I was like, wow. How can you fabricate such a story? Enti Ghana so atwa oboni tirimu a de be si ni tirimu bia no waka to social media no so no ko because our agenda to tarnish the image of the president. Enti wo bia our president one no de nabam tie so the honorable philosopher su kwachi abam or the chief of staff abam wo epanyufo kasia omo andisi mu wo do omo nyina dia abam na eniema a waka de bata won ho no enye niema ya papa entro musu niema en waka de fa wo mo ho Aden, dear Yana Woodye, Abeta, Diana Woodye, and Waketi account at Dr. Bawumia for 2028, Ghana Jollof. Saudi Arabia Jollof. What? Saudi Arabia Jollof. Who can see about doing Wagro? Mofa phone line into TV no so. Sha, information be a wa. A drew baby I was here can. Allegedly. Honorable Samia Wuku, talk to your girl. Unimna kasachirem. Because or twasu be moi, dia kani nyina ya beba beka. Ah? Or twasua, dia kani nyina ya beba beka. And I'm a pony who kitwebi. Kitwebi just 1% of the whole thing. And Makam. Tell her to stop tarnishing the image of the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the president of the Republic of Ghana, the first lady of the Republic of Ghana, ministers or more NDC, she should stop. Obetimia and the MPP politics, I promote you Dr. Bawumia, nobody cares. But one line now, what no, Alberta was say name no okay, Mediama CID. You do better to stop list to see how they do Diagro. Now I just saw to UK. You want you saw to UK to wait in your dinner movie out pay. Commander Gabby person or tete wa brabo adie no so.
Me.
Aye.
What you mean tete my brabo?
Me ka be si asem so.
Okay.
Why na adwen say o person or tete o. Ba onim sa mena no wo tu wonanim. Simple.
Chese.
Onim sa mena no wo tu wonanim.
Obewo wi kete.
And na ya matu
no. Bible angasa kraka. Tio.
Because
Bible say the wager no nani.
Onkwanda.
Na onkwanda wa wasase so. Ohun President Mahama ohun ne ma ohun.
Ah.
Ohun ne ma.
Na wo sa no de wa no be si President Mahama.
Obo mpa yempo say beja President ne mai ba kwa ngam ne be twempno. Because o ti we wo nware obi kunu ho na wotare. Ana nyankopon so a on ti sa letter ni we dey mo fanche me. Obi kunu ana ne na akonyem. Wo ye wa wo yarefo. Won tena se enwene wo ho. Na wo nam kan kwasi asem.
Chese
asama no o kafa bede meire hu. Enti one obi kunu akwakowo. Na wo ni kunu ni bi. Won nwene wo. Asama wo kan. Se esi wo memifie kokobo mire sum yadina kotesa no police station. Ada wo se na sim. Na meire ni Ghana. No di Ghana. No what you find be 4-5 days.
Look at all this.
Ana oba beka sasem we. Ada me say me no me mfanche no. Me dey say
me mfanche no.
Me dey tanya gopo hira me ne say me nhye sumasi ni nipa bone. Be catch no.
Catch no ma ya we.
Ma catch no. Waba aba bejira me page ase esa edidi matem. 70 musasem na o kanu eye no kre. Am see no problem. Wo ma me konfo no wo Asamankesi area no. Wo fi se wa ben unti obi antimi nya ohwe. But mema na hu baby ane ma me konfo no okodi na duro.
So was there information ni bi wa hono ma e bi wa ho dia wose yeka
mema na hu because oye konfo a oni aduro akom na wo kom oni aduro oni hu akonfo no ko ba bi no ba kwa di aduro mema na hu be say kodu bia ne ma me de ato no so bia ma de kodu ni nyina this girl me na me pese me kato abonten na amount for your witness to it.
Esi a wa say ya ba ukoko.
Esi wie na ma be go for asem free kokko no ho a. Wa ho de no. Aha, sa na be ye. Wodo no de wo ho. De ma ye e different. Another lady bi so no go and no ma backing vocalist. One of them catch us or naked on the street of UK.
Oza will be on also your backing vocalist.
Now, guys, no bugusuno. Me say make job muhoduma. Me person two be starting. Make job muhoduma one by one. I don't need to know. I don't need to know your face. I don't need to know your name. Me ankasa me dikodu me hu na makachiro. I better fi say wa hide behind ayi. Ada wodi ngwasi asem. Eh? Mama na hu say wiase no before say emrofo no de Bible to ship ma
bagana no
na ye na nanu so munyame no munyame so mu no na kro no ni wiase nani wo voter regime. There are so many places wo phone to ho a wo be kwa aba
na eda
wo bi say o ko penny we fie wo kwa kwaje wade wo sika to ho wo obi hu a wo tam o de be ko penny ni fie because wo nim say wo face kada bibi beto no so eno na ye nyankopon tumi no
yeah
eno na ye nyankopon etumi no eti yes all powers belong to God na what do you mean can say
one ene de ase de aba no
say ene wa biebie nuama so
obi kae aburo so niama wakeka no one say we na aye latest one the page no so honorable fellas na ufri ne pe na wo ba wo de no so
I just say honorable fellas the last video awaye
yeah
now for over 1 week me read pictures in kwa you see Ghana cyber security law is against that won't you publish obi picture I just say only ehun publish
yeah
na ya ye din di ajai nkwala bi wo krom ha se o mo se obono YouTube ana ye o mo adwuma ha o mo dididi wo de nyambo treboko obono de because me show mo a o mo nyobia but memma police fo apeke wo mo baako na ogoko gina kota no wachire de enti a wo befa obi ne yire e de akwakoto ho no wakansam pasa
enye no kore
da sankrofoni nyina so no me ka kire obo e ma na ewo mu no obi bia obeware bia obebo dwamaya ese obukunu beja obeware 100 times o jimi ntrase me ka kire wo omu bebo dwamaya no obi atena se na wabobra upgrading the brand no nema na aduane di companies ahodo a my wife brand ambassador ema omo you have no idea na wo yes ade we ya obi on ma so tikro be ka se bia se obi o ya nyumtuni ye friend programs ni na okokeka sansem we efa no ho a wo pa kire say
uni evidence
so we dey na wo no wo se na wo tama me ye MPP adwuma na mu odin no mo na mo eva
na say agu awie no
bie na oba bie wo na mu ma be ma ne wo daaye ana wo anyi se opese o blackmailina no do so bo na ware ho banti wata mo kokoto UK aka wo ye hwan wo ko ma mi fi ade na sisi fom wo ma me nche chalote gra wo nche the na sisi fom and you have the guts to come and sit on internet and be disgracing people just like that hey look
ba ku bia mitie de bra na eya horo ena o se de uhuye o se vice president e collapse ye e ma chief of staff de bra de ne sa ko hye na se atwe moja de akwanya komade I just die pa na woje abeta die na woje wo wiase
enka de kra ka se edi kra wode no kodai kra gaman for beji wadi kakra wode ne sapa ko hye na se etwi moja fo ye twi moja de enza na twi
ana di no boy say sa nipa no te president Mahamadu fie no no hu honorable Felisofo kwa achi say on the first lady kwada wo mo dem no edi no even doesn't exist
the
name no Canada doesn't even exist
yeah father say what deciding push what the be mafofro beda e Felix the yemuba
how could you
the yemuba I didn't go to say the others so Ghana but we nyina achino near the subona papa Ghana police service sabutie ya na make can be mamu na saying na this time one city up at the be
they need to sit up and no pa
or so fu bi betina TikTok sa eki kan kwasi asemfa meyire ho ana me am sorry that me year petition am the call region Greater Accra Regional Command me call ye crime officer up investigator say on shade no me say me pese court because you cannot publish my wife's picture and what you were saying were total lies.
No, I can't hold no call.
Internet never for me.
Total lies. Ni ajano. So what you suffer? Make look. As someone making every 2 months old. Wo fresh here did na no ye ma catcher me say me ye appointment to IGP. Greater Accra Police Command honum. As I said, what reshuffle the system. I will honum. I some phone na ya do buti honum di no. Wo be a good depending masse man fam ran she bin sem.
Yeah.
An kwan ko to an she dipa no so. Wo police na beti maso officer ade no. Be di asam na brew. Over 2 months. Me catch up say look, let the case go to court. Papa no say yes you can obey your mama na mo yes ade na. Look, Chroma say you cannot. You cannot. I mean me etira me can wo afidie so yi.
Yeah.
Me ma this be frɛ omu piem. But the next year ombenya no eye IGP office. I am going to report and make sure say action is taken on this. Why can you do that? Crime officer ayi ma sheda ba ho. Wo si wo say me si da bi asem no ye pese court. Wodim nieti amege say enkokoto no grade say me report to case no. Ana man by no mo frɛ me. Ana me say me ba. Me kokoto do hard man ma bo ma adwena kire no ma ga je so mo ntwa asem no mo ntu asem no ntu ba bi kra. Man is say oni time or the between me. Emma me tuka nga me kwaya hwe wo ho. Man by no ma frɛ me tuka kokoduru hard ma yes wo ko. Ana me say sir prepare self no enkokoto. Because I know the law na me gina so.
Yeah.
Ama ye dey asem na kokot. What ti mean tin hu free. What say wo free Kumase? Aba, wo beduru ya na wo dware ye na kokodae. Wo kokodae no. Wo sorry e do abetra TikTok say what a prophecy. Obi a wada said dae no waso a e prophecy. Na that very day, Ada me mother-in-law e free mu.
Yeah.
14th December. Sada no awia be 12 o'clock. Ano yes you know. Me mother-in-law ewu ahomache. About 6 a.m. na news no da bonten. Na the team I release a statement to that effect. Eti obia ni mu say ma be na wu. No akwa between 11-12. Say prophecy awunya ye no na first for no su ana yes say you know prophecy no yes say da brade ma mi afrim eti e mompa ye ma na nyesa ade ma mi befrim. Number 2 say wa hu say na ware no kra no anyina eti empress nkonkopa ne former husband a wo yes of ne chew tio o mojai empress aware ne former husband aware onkopa ne chew for what
creative confusion
cheap popularity Adam say say way
because them say negativity sell we Ghana enti ma men kana me nya followers
say mo Markin sabe boa mo hwe na ye kan say sabe nya writer sabe de no be kokoto bo de mo send message mra say
message bi ani ba bia court no de wo ye den ya wo be ko na wo mo ye me kokwasa no
Adam bi hu signboard na Reverend Rory Stete the same year no aye billboards and no aye this nonsense must stop. And I'm saying what is the meaning of this?
Now we can't say nothing.
This nonsense must stop.
Okay.
At the Greater Accra Regional Command, I am going to report you to the IGP. This nonsense must stop.
And that's it.
Yo, it for winning and someone about better. Yep, no so make I say so. When you subscribe to channel idea, but more than I say over subscribe. Now, if you like video, and give us a thumbs up. Now, if share my work for Frosona, will you be here now? Who as some to do an hour, so ever Ghana memo. Also, bet me actually wondering after a year and some way now, I will comment boxing. Mobati Minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.